Hi, Pat here in the music room. This next song, I think, is probably the first one I wrote down on paper. I read the lyrics to a few special friends and they laughed and they encouraged me, for better or worse, to finish it. I was getting ready one day, really nice sunny day, going outside for a car ride. Walked out in the driveway, and here, right in the center of my windshield, was the biggest, brownest splatter of seagull poop you ever did see. And things went downhill from there. This song is called Brown Seagull Shit on My Windshield. I hope you like it. I got brown seagull shit on my windshield, doing 90 miles an hour on a sunny day. Many miles to drive before I get there, but that baked on seagull shit's taking my blue skies away. See eagles, foxes, bears, and a goat or two, rolling hills and beer cans in the ditch, pretty girls in the towns and fast food signs, but that baked on seagull shit's taking my blue skies away. See a roadkill skunk, another goat or two, willow pine, spruce, and a broken fence, ad for Viagra on a big billboard, but that baked on seagull shit's taking my blue skies away. Got a heavy heart, heavy mind, and I'm horny. Haven't seen a girl since 4 July. Mom says I gotta be patient. Got that baked on seagull shit's taking my blue skies away. So I keep on driving down this road and thinking one day my windshield would be clear, knowing that's probably just a pipe dream, 'cause that baked on seagull shit's taking my blue skies away. Yeah, that baked on seagull shit's taking my blue skies away. Oh, shit happens. Until next time, take care of each other. Bye for now.